First, we are going to explain what is passive optical network or PON in the context of the optical fiber access network. But in order to do that, first we need to explain that what is an optical fiber access network. Suppose there is a user that is located inside this house and this user wants to use the triple play services. By triple play services, I mean the voice services, the data services and the video services. Because normally the voice services are provided using the public switch telephony network, the data services are provided using the internet and the video services are provided using the cable TV. So if a user wants to access these services or this user wants to connect to these services, this user needs a network to which this user would connect. And this network through which this user connects to these services, this network is called as the access network. And when optical fiber is being used in this access network for the communication, like in this case, we can see that there is an optical fiber here shown in the blue color, and here we can see that there are also optical fiber cables that are also shown in the blue color. So in that case, this access network is called as the optical fiber access network. And the predominant technology that is being used all across the globe for the optical access networks, it is called as the passive optical network technology or PON. The PON technology consists of three main entities. The first entity is called as the optical line terminal or OLT. OLT is located in the exchange, or in other words, OLT is located on the service provider side. Then you have the optical network unit or the ONU. ONU is located on the user side, and using the ONU, the user connects to the passive optical network. And between the OLT and the ONU, you have the passive optical splitter. And between the OLT and the passive optical splitter, you have one optical fiber cable. And between the passive optical splitter and each of the ONU, you have a separate optical fiber cable. So the total number of optical fiber cables between the passive optical splitter and the ONUs is equal to the total number of the ONUs.